Hey guys, hope you're alright. Today wasn't such a good day. I let my emotions take control of me and I ended up hitting my daily loss limit or close to it. I lost $200 on each account, but I had a lot of ups and downs and I was up $120 at some point. But let's get into it and I'll explain what happened. So, first trade of the day was right here. This is a trade during the after hours session. It's a couple of hours before New York. So we hit the 24 EMA, and right here I wanted to enter on NQ with 5 micros. I didn't though. I entered on ES because I was on the phone with a friend of mine and I couldn't concentrate at what I wanted to do. But nonetheless, the trade played out and I started the day with a winner. I was $75 in profit. And right now, um, not sure why I took this long here. It does look like a short. We're backtesting the 24 EMA. We breached below the 20 the VWAP, and right now I entered the long here. We were below the 1 hour trail, so this is a bad trade. I don't know why I entered it, but let's see what happens in this trade. I just stop it for a loss, and you can see that we went much higher from here. We went lower and then we went higher. We chopped around here a little bit and I entered this short on the micro. I think it was based on the 1 hour trail rejection and the VWAP rejection, but my entry is quite late. Let's see if this played out. I compounded the trade and then it started going against me. Yeah, so I exited this for a loss as well. And I was at this point still a little bit in profit. Let's see how much. $20 on each account. So from $70, I fell back to $20 on each account. New York Open. So let's analyze this trade because it's a really interesting one. Let's see. Okay, so this is New York Open, the first candle. We went higher and then we started going lower. ES was also pushing lower. So as soon as I saw this, I realized this is a trade that I want to be in. This is a type of trade that we usually see when price can't push price higher and the delta falls down negatively. It means sellers are now in control and this is worth a short trade, and the market structure was also bearish at this point. So let's see how this unfolded. Price started falling down. I started moving my TP lower and we're going to get a really big uh, impulsive bearish move to the downside. Just waiting for it to show up in real time. And now place my stop to break even and you'll see what price does now. It will just fall out of a sudden. So I'm in this short, everything's good, and look at price. I'm $50 in profit and I closed for a profit. And price went much lower from there. No one could have foresee that, but yeah. Now I entered this trade. I started trading based on FOMO because I saw other people take shorts in this really impulsive move downwards, and I decided, you know what, let me do the same thing. And yeah, I always when I do this, I get stopped because when price moves against me, I really get scared and I usually exit for a loss. In this trade, I just placed my stop to break even. But you can see here, I entered exactly at the low of the day and we took the previous day low. And right now I place my buy stop there and it's pretty far away. Even with one contract, it's 40 points away. So that that's a lot. So as soon as we started going higher, I decide I don't want to be in this trade and I exit for a loss. So yeah, at this point I'm looking at the chart and I decide, you know what, I don't really want to be in this trade. Let me exit. So now I exit $25 for a loss, or almost $30, and then price reverses from there. And yeah, I just got scared, and that's how what happens when you get scared. And now again, I enter at the low of the day. Pretty bad trading, right? It's based on FOMO, but yeah, we had some bearish news with war starting, and not war starting, but just uh, missiles being fired between Iran and Israel. And at this point, yeah, I thought the market is going to go lower, but I just didn't have the confidence to go with it or to just hold on to my trades and just be patient and see what was going to happen. Yeah, but I didn't want to risk all of my daily loss limit in one trade. So yeah, price is just going against me, and the same thing is happening now. I'm going to exit for a loss. Price hit the 24 EMA, and I entered here based on that. And of course, I closed it really soon after we saw an initial reaction. I actually exited at break even, and you can see what price has done here. And I entered again here in this trade. And yeah, I just choked the trade for $50 in profit. Price went much lower from there. And this is the topic of the day. So even during after hours, I entered a good trade and I didn't let it run. The market wanted to run today. And yeah, I just traded badly because I held on to my losers a lot, and I got scared, and I even didn't hold into my losers. I just closed for a loss, and price reversed afterwards. But yeah, I just was both greedy and afraid of how price moved today, and that's really bad because yeah, I just traded poorly. So I'm still in profit at this point. We backtested the ATMA. I enter here. Price again $50 in profit. And I don't want to take profit, and I get stopped at break even, I think. Or no, I closed for $40. Now, again, a really nice trade. And you see how fast I closed this trade. Check this out. So I enter on the 24 EMA backtest, and I close it only for $30 in profit. And price just fell a long way lower from here. And yeah, that's pretty much the story of my life. This is the last trade I recorded. I was $80 in profit. From this point onward, I recorded the wrong screen. But yeah, I lost the money from here. I went on zero. Afterwards, I made it back. I was $120 in profit. Afterwards, I lost everything back to zero. Then I lost $120. And then I made it all back. And then I lost it all back again in the last trade I took 1 hour before market close. It was actually during the power hour. And yeah, I was trading a small range that price formed on the 1 minute. And I entered, and it just went against me, and I lost $150 in that range. And yeah, I was a little bit underwater, so I closed the day for like $200 in minus, negative on each of the accounts. But yeah, I just got greedy today, really greedy, and I wanted to make profits, and I entered bad trades that I shouldn't have entered. And yeah, that's something I need to improve, my greediness and my need to make money. I just need to be a bit more chill, and when I'm in a good trade, just let it run and make money on that one. And when I'm in a bad trade, just get out of my way and yeah, do something else. Just exit the trade, or yeah, be patient enough to not take low probability setups. But yeah, I fumbled it today, so nonetheless, tomorrow will be a new day and new opportunities will arise, but I'll need to focus on my mistakes today. But thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.